Hey everyone, Linus here. You know how your heart pumps blood and keeps your body going? Well, the motherboard is like the heart of your computer. It connects all the parts and makes sure everything runs smoothly. Without it, your CPU, RAM, and GPU would just be sitting there, unable to talk to each other. From the moment you hit the power button, the motherboard jumps into action. It sends power to all the components, helps them communicate, and makes sure everything is working together in perfect harmony. It's the foundation of your entire computer system. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just use your computer for everyday tasks, the motherboard plays a vital role. It's the unsung hero, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure your digital life runs without a hitch. So buckle up as we dive into the world of motherboards, exploring their history, components, functions, and what the future holds for these essential pieces of technology. Back in the 70s, motherboards were pretty basic. They were just simple circuit boards that held a few components together. But over time, they've evolved into these intricate masterpieces of engineering. The invention of the microprocessor was a game changer. It allowed for more complex circuits to be etched onto a single chip. This led to the development of the first personal computers and the birth of the modern motherboard as we know it. As technology advanced, motherboards became more sophisticated. They integrated more functions, supported faster components, and became smaller and more efficient. From the early days of ISA and PCI slots to the lightning-fast PCIe connections we have today, motherboards have constantly adapted to keep pace with the ever-increasing demands of modern computing. Today, motherboards come in all shapes and sizes, from massive EATX boards for high-end workstations to tiny mini ITX boards for compact gaming rigs. But no matter the size, they all serve the same crucial purpose: to connect and control every component in your computer. All right, let's break down a motherboard and see what makes it tick. First up, we have the CPU socket, the brain of your computer. Next, the memory slots for RAM, your computer's short-term memory. Then the chipset, managing data flow between components. Storage connectors for your hard drives and SSDs, and expansion slots for graphics cards and other peripherals. Understanding these components helps you grasp how a motherboard functions. Section 4, the motherboard's mission: connecting, powering, and controlling. What does the motherboard actually do? It has three main functions: connecting, powering, and controlling. It connects all the different components of your computer. It allows data to flow between the CPU, RAM, graphics card, and storage devices. It distributes power to all these components. It regulates power to ensure each component receives the correct voltage. It acts as the control center, using the BIOS to boot up the computer and monitor system temperatures. The motherboard ensures all parts of your computer work in harmony. Section 5. The ever-evolving motherboard from ATX to the future. Motherboards are constantly evolving to keep pace with the rapid advancements in technology. From the early days of the ATX form factor to the more compact micro ATX and mini ITX boards, motherboards have become smaller, more power efficient, and packed with more features. One of the most significant advancements has been the introduction of new CPU sockets and chipsets which support faster processors, more memory, and higher bandwidth connections. This constant evolution ensures that motherboards can keep up with the demands of the latest software and applications. We've also seen a trend towards integrating more components directly onto the motherboard. This includes onboard audio, networking, and even graphics processing, which can be beneficial for budget builds or systems where space is limited. As technology continues to advance, we can expect motherboards to become even more integrated and efficient. We might see the rise of new form factors, faster interconnects, and even more powerful onboard processing capabilities. Section 6, the future of computing, motherboards leading the charge. The motherboard is the unsung hero of the computing world. It's the foundation upon which every other component relies. As we move towards a future of even more powerful and compact devices, the role of the motherboard will only become more critical. With the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, we need motherboards that can handle massive amounts of data and connect to a growing number of devices. We're already seeing motherboards with built-in AI processors and support for high-speed networking technologies. The future of computing is exciting, and motherboards will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping that future.